How to turn off auto light on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the accessibility option you see there. And further, under the vision tab, you will see the option for display and text size. Tap on that and go ahead and you will see the option for auto brightness. You can simply scroll down and you will see the option for auto brightness. So go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for auto brightness, and with this your screen will now stay at the brightness level you set and it will not change automatically. Turning off auto brightness may affect your battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. So this is how you can turn off auto light on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.